Representing the bankable, wonderful people of Idemili North and South Federal Constituency. I am from Anambra State, the light of the nation. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I rise today to move a motion on the need to investigate the funds disbursed to the licensed electricity distribution companies by the Central Bank of Nigeria as loans under the National Mass Metering Program. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, the House notes that the National Mass Metering Program, NMMP, was launched by the federal government of Nigeria through the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, to provide funds as loans to the licensed electricity distribution companies, DISCOs, to improve customers' metering and eliminate estimated billing. The House also notes that the NMMP aims to reach over 6 million households and businesses with meters before the end of 2021 as part of the power sector reform agenda to promote transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the power sector. The House is concerned that there have been reports of discrepancies, mismanagement, and non-compliance with the terms and conditions of the loans disbursed under the NMMP by some DISCOs, leading to inefficiencies, underperformance, and failure to achieve the objectives of the NMMP. The House is also worried at the lack of proper oversight, monitoring, and evaluation of funds disbursed under the National Mass Metering Program by the Central Bank of Nigeria, which has created opportunities for corruption, diversion, and misappropriation of public resources. The House resolves to the following. 1. Urge the federal government to prioritize the implementation of the Power Sector Recovery Program, which provides a roadmap for sustainable power sector reforms. 2. Urge the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, to provide a detailed report on the implementation of the National Mass Metering Program, NMMP, including the number of loans disbursed, the amounts disbursed, and the status of the loans to the Committee on Banking and Regulations. 3. Further urges the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, NERC, to provide a comprehensive assessment of the performance of the DISCOs in metering customers and eliminating estimated billing. 4. Mandates the Committees on Banking Regulations, Power, Rural Electrification Agency, Housing and Habitat to investigate the disbursement and use of funds under the NMMP by the Central Bank of Nigeria and ascertain the level of compliance with the terms and conditions of the loans. 5. The House also mandates the Committees on Banking Regulations and Power to investigate the following: case of discrepancies, mismanagement, and non-compliance with the terms and conditions of the loans disbursed under the National Mass Metering Program, and the level of oversight, monitoring, and evaluation of the use of funds disbursed under the National Mass Metering Program by the Central Bank of Nigeria, and to recommend measures to enhance transparency, accountability, and performance in the National Mass Metering Program, and report back within 4 weeks. Mr. Speaker, I so move.